Paying with Clearpay at Saramart is a straightforward process. Today, I'll guide you through how you can pay using Clearpay at Saramart. But first, let's clarify what Clearpay is. Clearpay is known as Afterpay in some countries. In your country, it might be referred to as either Clearpay or Afterpay. Once that's clear, open your SAR application and select the product you wish to purchase. For example, if you want to buy a knife, simply click on it and add it to your cart. Then, proceed to your cart and navigate to the checkout section. Here, you'll need to provide your phone number, country, and zip code. After entering this information, you'll see an option to select your payment method. Choose Afterpay as your payment method, and the amount will be charged to your Afterpay account. And that's it. That's how you can use Afterpay with Saramart. I hope you find this guide helpful.